Hello guys! In today's video I'm going to show you how to paint a spiral galaxy. I have already done a tutorial on how to paint a galaxy in general. You can watch it on Art and Fly's channel if you haven't yet. For this tutorial I'm using the 72 watercolor set, the paper and water tank brushes by Art and Fly. In the end I'm also going to use the white gel pen as well as the sepia fineliner. You start with covering your surface with water. Next you begin with the darkest color of your choice. I decided for a dark blue. Then I used a cold yellow tone and blocked in the brightest part of the galaxy. My next color would be a pinkish red, which I have blended in with the yellow. For the moving parts of the galaxy I used a dark purple. I switched between all these colors to map out the first layer of this painting. You can use the same colors I chose, but of course you are free to use the color scheme you want. You may get frustrated at this part because it doesn't look like a spiral galaxy at all, but keep going. This is just the first layer and we're going to add more. Let the layer dry. You can start working on the colors even more now. For this, I recommend starting with your darkest color again and blend in the colors that are coming next in your painting, like I do. You can go back and forth until you're satisfied with your second layer. In the center, it is okay if you don't blend everything together and leave some hard edges there, because you will use them for the details later. Let the second layer dry. For the third layer, I worked on the bottom part of my painting. But when you're already satisfied with your painting, you can start adding some brown for the details. Block the brown color into the center, especially on the hard edges. You can use a darker brown when you're going to add more details there. Then use the white gel pen and draw some dots on your painting. Even when you're still having red spots, the ink will fade and in the end it will look like stars that are more in the distance. Go in with a sepia fineliner to add smaller details. I used the 0.0 sized one for it. For the stars, use white acrylic paint. Thin it down with water, dip in your brush and tap with another brush on it to create them. Remove the tape and you're done. Your spiral galaxy is finished. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Check out Art and Fly's channel for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.